Hello and welcome. This is Linda Varnam of Chanvar Yoga Qigong. Today I'd like to share with you a few movements from Tai Chi Qigong that help to release tension in the neck and shoulders. If you're on your devices for a long time, sitting at a desk or driving a vehicle, or just in general, you feel your stress and tension in this upper body area, these will be helpful. Always check with your doctor before beginning any exercise program and work with these movements in a gentle and pain-free range of motion. Come into standing and we'll begin. Have your feet a little bit further than hip width apart, knees a little soft. I want to start by rolling the shoulders back. When my neck and shoulders are a little stiff, especially the neck, I like to start with the shoulders, not the neck, so kind of move upward. Make sure your knees are a little soft. Taking the shoulders back so that we're counteracting this kind of movement forward that we might be in quite a bit, tensing up the chest and upper back area. Then bring your fingertips onto the shoulders and just circle back, like you're drawing a circle with your elbows to the side of you. Making that movement a little bigger. Remembering to work in a pain-free range of motion for you always. You can draw out the arms and now bring those circles in like you're drawing the circle with the top of your wrist into a full range of motion for you. Sinking down a little and then lifting up. Gliding your pelvis slightly back and then gliding it through and forward. Bring in a little more of an energetic wave through your body. If you were feeling that sort of slump of energy, this is also really helpful to pick up the energy. Now release the arms down. Relax them down, shake them out a little. Feet a little wider now, almost shoulder width or a little further than that. Soften into the knees and turn and rotate from the center of your body. Tap in onto and around this center point, or in the Qigong, the lower dantian or lower energy field. Now you want to feel that movement starting from the center of your body and your arms just kind of floating and following the movement. Little rotation into your spine and some freedom and release for your upper body. And slow it down and just let the arms wave around you. Bring that back. Feel your energy, perhaps even in those few movements, feeling a little lighter in your upper body, or maybe just a little more energy than when you were sat down. Hands on the side, relaxing your shoulders down. When we start to come into the neck, just very slowly and easy, dropping the chin slightly down towards this little notch. And then rolling the chin slowly across so that you're just coming to the point of looking down at this armpit. And to the other side. Now release your jaw. Let your lips part a little bit. Your teeth separate, especially if you clench your jaw. Can have a big impact on releasing your neck if we can release the jaw. Just going slowly side to side. Let's try one more. Bring it back center, release down. Thanks for joining me. I hope you feel a little energized and release of tension in your upper body. If you're interested in learning more about how to bring these mind-body activities into your life in a very easy and manageable way, please go to www.chanvar.com and find out more about the daily 10-minute. While you're there, be sure to register for the next free 5-day practice challenge. See you soon.